Hi, Professor. So, I created this mental wellness companion chatbot and I named it Serenica. It's a simple, conversational, and supportive chatbot. Users can use this to, uh, you know, log their feelings, reflect on their mood, receive wellness tips. So, basically, this chatbot is about giving comfort, like in a human way, as much as possible. All the interactions are done with intents, and then I use logs, confirmations, fulfillments, and end conversations. And let me just build it, and I'll show you the working of the chatbot as well. Okay, so I click on hi, and then it welcomes me. It asks for my name, so I'm just gonna add that. Phone number. 5. Email. And then it will also ask for a time when you are available so that the chatbot can nudge you so that you can enter your daily mood, reflect on your day, ask for wellness tips. So whatever time suits you, just add it and it will add and make your profile. Then if you need some wellness tips for say, you just type down give me some wellness tips, and it would ask you what type of tip would you like. Just say maybe grounding, I guess. It will give you the exercise and then some more confirmations for you. What this chatbot also does is track your sleep schedule. Say if we tie this chatbot with a Fitbit, we can use that API to fetch your heartbeat and your sleep duration, and ask the chatbot to give you how did I sleep. It will ask you what day or last night and just say 8 October. It will give you how your sleeping pattern looked like. If we connect this with an API for Fitbit, for say, we can use this to gain accurate information about your sleep schedule. You can also log your mood. It will ask you how are you feeling. I feel good. It will ask you how much is the intensity of the feeling. I'll say it's 5. And then it just gives you a confirmation if this is the correct, and you can just save this entry. So just say yes. It will complete it and give you another tip or exercise for your well-being. You can also add gratitudes. Add a gratitude entry. Just say I feel good, weather's good, I'm done with my assignment, and you can save it for 9 October and done. It will give you the confirmation. Just say yes, and that's it. It will save your gratitudes and just say that the chatbot is always there for whenever you're ready to check in again, or if you want to log your mood or anything related to wellness. So I'll also show you the intents that I made. This is the profile setup intent, where it asks for your name, email, the time when it asks you to nudge yourself, and then a fulfillment. This is the gratitude one, asks for your gratitudes, do you want to save it, and then gives you a confirmation. Similarly for the mood intent, asks for your mood and then logs it. For wellness tips, it asks you what type of tip you want, and then based on that gives you the tip that you asked for. And then this is for the sleep insight. How did you sleep last night, or based on the date. If we add with an API, then it will fetch from the Fitbit API, which can be a very good thing if we maybe pursue this in future. This is the document that I made for the chatbot. It has table of content, positioning of the chatbot, the viewpoint, the tone. Everything is well written and documented and made according to the description and requirements. This is all the intents and all the slots and intents that I made which I just showed you in my video as well. And then the golden rules, it follows all the golden rules, all the four of them. And okay, so this is the third assignment, the second assignment of the chatbot. My chatbot was a mental health chatbot and I named it Serenica. This assignment included having two new intents, covering all of these, and then integrating with Slack as well. So first I'll show you, I made reminder setup intent. This is to set up a reminder for the user. And then I also made for a stress relief intent, if the user wants to relieve some stress, so it can ask chatbot Serenica to help it with them. Uh, Here you can see that I connected the Serenica bot with Slack, and now I'm just gonna test it with the new intents that I made. Okay, so the first one is the stress relief. If the user feels stressed, it can just ask, "I feel stressed," and then the chatbot will give them suggestions. Uh, like how can the chatbot give you tips on? So if I just music, so it's gonna give me some music recommendations and how it can help me. It also has a fulfillment statement and a closing statement as well as defined in the assignment. This is a custom slot that I created. If you can go here, the relief options. It's a custom slot that I made that is being used in the intent. If I again say feel stress, so this is for the FN count that was also assignment requirement. So if I just say yoga, music, reading, I need all of them. So this is to trigger the FN count that was required. I can also show tips instead of this, but this is to just show that I was successfully able to trigger the fn.count function. Now also I can use to create a reminder on me, and then this is the slot that I created where it asks what kind of reminder do you want for. I'm just gonna say stretching, and then it says what time, 8 a.m., and I want it daily, and the reminder will be set for stretching at 8 a.m. and daily. We can also use lambda functions to store user preferences, which probably we'll be doing in the next assignment, I guess. But for now, I was able to fulfill all of these with this closing statement, different kind of response, multi-valued slots, which I just showed you. I did two of them with conditions and fn count, and then integration with the Slack as well. So this is the complete procedure, and the word talk is also here where I've explained everything in detail, which you can check as well. Thank you.